Hi good people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time zone you are watching this video of mine. I'm in my suburb where I do live. I want to show you guys where you can buy fresh milk from the cow. Very fresh milk in Nairobi at a very affordable price. Let's go together. This is famous Kiamombi area. I wanna show you where you gonna buy milk. The road is not tarmacked, but it is well graded, as you can see. Yeah, let's hit the load. And go. It's just some distance, it's not very far away. And you see schools all around. There is Dome Kindergarten, Kiamombi, that one there. Continue hitting the load. How many houses here? 2-bedroom in Kiamombi. Most of the people who live here, they've got families, so some of them are in need of 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, and also some parking. Most of the houses in this area are 2 to 3-bedroom, and they've got some parking because most of the people who live here are family people who own some cars. So, and we continue. Here, border who is doing a U-turn. So we are direct to the farm. This is the farm just in front of me. The farm is called McHugh Farm. McHugh Farm. Now this is the place, McHugh Farm. They do coffee farming, maize farming, and also livestock layering. You see, this is the farm, McHugh farming there. You see it? This is the place, McHugh farming. Hey, ni aje? Poa sana. Nakujia maziwa. Some milk. So here is the soldier. Just there is a barrier, so for you to cross, they must open for you. Like that. So, and you see this maize, last year they were giving the maize some water, and you can see it's already dried, so they harvested it. So let's go. So from here you go like 500 meters to this is the whole farm. You see they are doing coffee. They are doing coffee, they are doing coffee farming, maize farming, and also livestock farming. they have a lot of cows. So mostly you come here for milk in the morning at 11 and also at 3. Right now I'm going for 6, 11 and 3. So that's right now I'm going to buy milk for 3 p.m. Kenyan time. You see, they do a lot of coffee farming, as you can see. Let me show you. They've got a lot of coffee. Right there. A lot of coffee. Coffee farming. A lot of coffee farming. See, they've got a lot of indigenous trees over here. Indigenous tree like this one. So these are a very big farm. A very big farm. So from the main gate to the lunch, it's just about like, it's like a kilometer or so. A kilometer or so from the main gate. We have just seen the barrier. So I think this land was area. So these are the houses meant for workers. So this farm is like kinda area on. It was owned by the Europeans who colonized our country here. So that's why you can see they've got some houses for the workers. Down here they've got a dam, a big dam down there. Let me show you the dam. That's the dam. The dam is right there, down there. Okay, down there. You can see it. Okay, let's go up. That's the dam down there. That's the dam down there. The dam down there. We've got a very big dam where they get water for doing the farming. Because normally what they have here in their farm, they normally do some irrigation. They do irrigation. This is the zero grazing, where they normally bring cows to feed grass direct from the farm. Here, this one here. So and you can see the coffee. Yeah. The main area where we have got offices. You see, they even do their coffee for themselves. See the tractors. Right now I can see they are putting some water in the tractor right there. So this is the offices. So we have to come here and pay for the milk. So after that, you see the tractor there. So this is the office where you come and pay for milk. Then you go for it down there. So let me wanna pay the milk. Let me pay the milk. Then I'll show you down there. Okay, good people. We are here with my son. We just came to bought some milk. Daddy, just say hi to my people.
Hi.
Hi, good people. Tell them hi, good people.
Say hi, say good people.
Subscribe to Daddy's channel.
Subscribe to Daddy
Channel.
Nasi channel.
Hey, YouTube channel. hesitant?
Yeah.
Okay, Daddy. Okay, Daddy. Okay, keep quiet. Okay, see they are fishing some water here with the tractor. It's the factory. They have their own factory where they process coffee. You see the tractor right here. Yeah. They have the main area and they do the process. Let me show you right here. You see now we are heading to the dairy. To the dairy, you see? Right here. Dairy house, down there. So this is where they do the coffee. They mill their own coffee. If you want to see how the process go on, you can check on my video. I went to my factory back in my village and show you how. You see the cow? You see how the number of the cows they have? Got so many of them right here. You see? These are the cows right here. The cows right here. Right here. So many of them. Right here. These are calves, Yeah, calves, These are calves. Too many of them. They just do the what? These are not Frisians. These are Ganses, Yeah, these are the bigger ones, Yeah, and you see they finish somewhere to stock Nini. So you just go and buy some milk just inside there. No, they have got some numbers. Yeah. Damas. Hmm? You can see how many they've got. A lot of cows. These are so many of them. These are big. This is where the milk is coming from, as you can see. And they have stretched up to that far. These are the Gansi. They are doing the milking. I don't know whether you can be in position to see it. Let me try to zoom it. That one. Start from there. It's quite long. You see it there? That's a very big dam. It's because they normally do the irrigation with the water there. And you can see the other ridge. That's a town, that's 44th and Zimmerman, and also some of what do you call it? So this in Nairobi, in town, although it's the farm is in Kiabu, although it's just immediate the neighbor. This is where they normally bring their cows during the day. Right here, you can see the piping. You done a very good piping. You see the pipe here? That's the pipe. You see? So if you're in a lobby and you need some fresh milk, McHugh Farm get you sorted. They sell a liter at 70 bob a liter. So normally I come for like 8 liters or 7 liters to take the family for a week, which is enough for a whole week. So guys, keep tuned, continue supporting your engineer here. So I got a great subscribe. If you not subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe for the returning subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm so happy I'm getting your likes, guys. Thank you. Continue supporting your engineer here. I will continue showing you the best content, clear and very good content. So give a like, share, comment. Let's keep the comment section interactive. For the new people who are watching my videos, kindly subscribe and give a like button. Yeah. So you see the coffee. Their coffee is right here, and people are just coming for the milk. You see another car coming, another vehicle right here coming. So he's coming for milk. People are calling the jerrycan. You see, like the guy right here is calling his milk. Also another one with a bike. People are calling 3, 2, 5, 20. Others are coming for the milk in large scale, like 100 liters. So you get sorted. You only need to know the exact time. Like now, they normally have various times, like from 6 in the morning, then 11 a.m. and also at 3 p.m. Like right now, it's just gone to get mine at 3 p.m. You see the farming. They are very serious in doing the farming. See the maize. So they normally do it using some irrigation. Even the coffee itself, they do irrigation for the coffee. So guys, thank you. Enjoy the video. Watch from the start to the end. Okay, enjoy. So now I'm heading to the barrier where I'll give a receipt to the soldier. Then I'll leave the farm. Yeah, this is the barrier right here. You see the security farm. Yeah, this is the security farm that's normally guard. Yeah. Aje? Iko sawa, unaweza nifungulia niende. Sawa fiti. So when you are done, you either opt to leave the receipt with the soldier, or you wait for him to write the details of what you bought, the names and what have you. But because I don't need the receipt home, I just opted to leave it for him to write the details in his own pleasure. So thank you guys, thank you.
Daddy.